Alright, this is how to install Visual Studio Code onto a Chromebook. First, you just go to Visual Studio Code, go here, and it's going to show you these Debian and RPM files. You don't want these, you do want these, but make sure it's for your platform. So I recommend going to other platforms. We're going to be under Linux. Then, depending on your system, I have an ARM64. Select the download. You can check this by just trying all of them. That's the best hint I can give you. Once that's started to install, just give it a moment. Alright, select shown folder, open, install with Linux. It's going to show you this install button. Usually if you have the wrong type of package, it'll show an error. Just try another one. I'm going to time-lapse this. Alright, now that it's finished installed, we can close that. We can go to our menu here, go here, go down. It's going to be under Linux apps. There it is. And as you see, sometimes it's a little bit laggy, but that's just the power of the Chromebook. There it is. Usually, if it doesn't load, make sure you set your, make sure you set your OpenGL version correctly, or you could try to restart. And here it is working with some extensions and a theme.